everyone, how are you? I'm Florence Namboze Bale from Uganda Land Board. I'm very pleased to inform you of a new product that we have, which is called external land survey services. With this external project, we are going to be working, or we've started working on land tenures other than the Kabaka's land. We shall be working, and we are working on freehold, we are working on leasehold for other landlords, not the Kabaka. We are also processing and working on mailo land surveys, most importantly. Buganda Land Board is a registered company, private limited, and has the mandate to carry out land surveying and mapping as under the laws of Uganda. We've embarked on this due to the integrity and capacity that we have. We have highly qualified partners and associates and over 600 square miles of experience in working in this. And our clients are not limited to individuals, but rather to companies, then real estate developers, then also to the Kabaka himself. Yeah. So, Buganda Land Board, we strive to give professional service to the growing market of surveying and mapping, and we put customer satisfaction as a first priority. We have dedicated teams, we have registered surveyors, we have qualified surveyors, we have technicians, we have chainmen, we have draftsmen, we have designers, all of those that help us to achieve our targets of surveying land that is beyond Kabaka's land. Yes, we are large enough to complete high-profile projects, yet still good enough to give individual attention to our clients. Now, the jobs we do, the surveyings that we do include boundary openings. Boundary opening is like determining the extents of boundaries of land. Then we also carry out subdivisions on private mailo, on freehold and leasehold. We do land documentation and titling, that is for all the tenures, not only Kabaka's land. Then also we do topographic mapping. Topographic mapping involves picking the coordinates as well as the contours. Like, for example, you're out there, you want to design your land, you want to know where to place what on your land, like the house, the toilet, and other facilities. A topo map helps you achieve that better. Then we also do 3D digital terrains, as well as sections and profiling. Yeah, so still, we are going diverse on the land board. We are dealing in architecture plans, urban design, as well as in consultancy. We're giving consultancy services, carrying out seminars. So if you need to know about land, Buganda Land Board is the center to come to. Then with Buganda Land Board, other services would include like volumes, okay? Construction sites. Those are mainly like what? Like engineering surveys. Then also would do like computer-aided design, as well as GIS and mapping, okay? Now, Buganda Land Board, we are very, very high-tech. We have the latest softwares and equipment. Our equipment is very, very accurate, and it gives confidence in locating data in the field with accuracy. With these machines, we have total stations. We have softwares, like ranges of software products. We have the latest levels, automatic and digital. Then we have handheld GPSs. We have the RTK, which is real time. It gives you coordinates there and then, and static systems, okay? Then the software, we have design software. Of course, that helps us in making the maps. We have AutoCAD land development. And still, we're not limited. We also have the GIS softwares like ArcView and ArcGIS. Okay, all these help us in giving you maps that are very, very accurate and depictive of what is on the ground. Then with these machines, we have downloading softwares. You go to the field, you pick what you have to pick, you need to get it off the computer, and we do that using the softwares that are very, very high-tech, getting the data from the hardwares like total stations, the RTK systems, the GPSs. We don't do it manually, so that reduces on the risks of data inaccuracies. Yes. Buganda Land Board, we've worked on a number of projects. We've worked on projects such as topographic surveys. We have done boundary openings. We have done lease applications and titling for people. Now, with the lease applications for all the land on Kabaka's, for all the titles on Kabaka's land, Buganda Land Board has carried, for those who have titles, Buganda Land Board has carried out the titling for those leases. Then also in about 3 months, we have been able to carry out over 20,000 surveys in a project of massive survey. And like I told you, with boundary opening, we've done boundary openings for big chunks of land. We have done a square mile on Damba Island. We have done the boundary opening for the Bulanga administrative area. We have done a boundary opening for the tombs, the Kasubi and the Wamala tombs. Okay? I know someone is going to ask, why use Buganda Land Board? Buganda Land Board is a place, is a company that has been tried and tested. Okay? Buganda Land Board, we've carried out land and we have experience of over 23 years in dealing with land. So would be the right people and the right place to do all your land related issues. Buganda Land Board has an integrity, a high level of integrity. So definitely with Buganda Land Board, we put our customer satisfaction first. You would get your goals achieved with Buganda Land Board. Say you want a title, you'll get it. You want your land to get surveyed, you'll get it. Okay? Now, for this external surveying, like I told you, we are working to include all the land tenures, not only the leasehold that is on Kabaka's land. Okay? So there are things that you will need to have your land surveyed. First, you'll need a photocopy of the title, the certificate of title. Then, in case the registered proprietor died, we shall need letters of administration. Then for you, the person who wants a survey to get done, we shall need for you to identify yourself, an ID, a passport, driving permit, so we know who we are dealing with. Then definitely a mutation form. A mutation form is what gives permission to have land cut, subdivided, mutated. So you'd need that from the registered proprietor. Then from there on, we are good to go to work on the title and the subdivision of your land. Okay? Yes, so to contact us, Buganda Land Board, we are located on, our office is at Masengere Building, first floor. You can reach us on our phone numbers 0312 263741/42. Then also you can reach us via mail, info@bugandalandboard.or.ug, or you can call 0730 422 855. Then all fees are paid in the bank on account number 1630037 code 046 Post Bank. Thank you.